Good morning, students. Today I will teach you that is a introduction to the SQL. That is a introduction to the SQL. That is a my book is there means my book is what syllabus is there means MySQL. That is a database. MySQL means in your book this software one is there. This software how to use, what and all is there inside, how to install is there, each and everything is there. So today you can listen that. Okay, this MySQL database, it is a database management system. That is a database management system. Sir, this database who's developed? Whose development means that is a Monty Wideness. Okay, Wideness you can develop. Okay, sir, why this name you can produce means my means his daughter name. So that is called to MySQL. The my means that is a the Monty Wideness daughter name is a my. That is a my is a daughter name. Then only you can give the file name, database name MySQL. Okay, this MySQL what is used means there is a overview of, that is a SQL means what does it means? Structured query language. Okay, good. See here, that is a structured query language, that is a open source software. This is a open source software. So open source software means nothing. Just you can go to website, go to Google, just you can search in the MySQL software, just you can install means that properly install means if you worked it. Okay, sir, this database multiple platform. That is a multiple platform. Sir, what is a platform means? Whatever computer. That is a work. Okay, multiple platform in the Windows, Linux, then etc. That is a more operating system support to the MySQL. Okay, that is a what does that mean? It is a scalable and reliable and fast. So that is a future of MySQL. That is a MySQL future of these things. Okay, that is a efficient database. Okay, sir, this is the overview of database. That is the overview of database I will teach you. Listen, that is a two types of divide in the broadly. That is a two types of. That is a heavy database, then light database. Heavy database and light database. So heavy database, light database means it is a support to the heavy database or desktop computers you can support it. All the desktop, that is a big size of that is a supercomputer, mainframe computer also very big size. No, these and all heavy database you can support it. Then light database means that is a web applications oriented. That is a small system or whatever system you can use. Okay, that mostly you can use many database commonly you can use. Okay, commonly you can use, that is a DB2. That is a first you can database you can work. After that, MySQL. The third one, it is the Oracle. Then fourth one, PostgreSQL. The fifth one, SQLite. Then sixth one, SQL Server. Then seventh one, it is a Skybase. So many database commonly used in the systems. Okay, that mostly which one you can using means MySQL. It is a 44.3% you can use. After that, SQL Server 30.8, that is a server you can use. Next, SQLite, that is a 21.2. Next, PostgreSQL Server 21.2, that is a Mongo database, that is a using for these and all. Cassandra, more databases there. You can list out in your book, just you can see your book. Okay, these and all work for the heavy database, and light database also you can use. Heavy database did not meet in the network issues efficiently, but light database you can efficiently work in the database. So that is called to heavy database and light database. Okay, good. Now I will teach you, that is a microprocessor. Okay, this is not microprocessor, sorry, that is a MySQL. I will teach you. MySQL teach you how to create the database, how to enter the database, each and everything I will teach you. Listen carefully. That is a general, that is a, there are exit in the role of database administrator, that is a DBAS, that is a database administrator. That administrator means who is that? That is a database handling the person. No, that person is called database administrator. Administrators, that is a database administrator. Okay, good. That is a DBMS possesses the skill database design, database queries, RDMS, SQL and networking. The primary task creating to the providing them access rights. The access rights I told no. Access rights. So if you database, if you working time, that is a access rights means deletion, insertion is there, no. That is called to this. Okay. That is what is that means create the database. Next, what is this? Insert, select, then update. This command very important. Every database. So create, insert, select, then update. This is a administrator if you work that. Administrator, it is a work that. Okay. This is MySQL is a exit in the table name is a user and password very important in the, that is a user. Okay, this is called to, that is a privileges, that is called to what? Privileges means that is a nothing but rights, that is a rights. The rights means granted, that is what? Granted in the work, that is called to privileges. So privileges, what and all is there? Just I said, that is a, again I teach that the privileges again will come this: create, insert, delete, create, insert, delete, select, alter. So totally 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what is this? Update one is missing. Update. Totally 6 command is a very important in the database. So this is a database, how to insert, how to show, each and everything I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. So watch that first. Okay, after that how to install the MySQL. Okay, after that query what and all is there, each and everything I will teach you. Okay, thank you. In case you have a system means MySQL software you can open, and open source software just you can install your system, just you try out. Okay sir, how to use the database creation to MySQL command. MySQL command greater than one symbol will come, insert into user, that is a host name, that is a host means user, host name, password, select privilege, insert privilege, then update underscore privilege. So parenthesis close, then semicolon also close. Every SQL statement, if you finish to the semicolon, terminate to the statement. This is a privilege. Sir, privilege means what, sir? That is a S. If a S means what? Privileges, that is a Y. Select privilege S. Then insert S. Update S. So this is what is this? Privileges. If you S give the S the permission means if you update and select and insert command, you can accept it in your database. In case no give it means, N give it means what? Is not given in the statement. That is the privileges. So very carefully you can listen the students. So this is a one database you can create. Okay. Thank you students. Now I teach you MySQL administrative command. MySQL, one small command I will teach you. Okay. Now you can one database created. Host name, password also you can create it. After that what we'll do means, just to see here, MySQL greater than use your database. Your use database means that is a my database name test. Then semicolon. Then database changed. Database changed one command will come. That is a furtherly you can execute. Okay. Database changed. What changed? That is a text database will come. Okay. Now your database, what and all database is there means how to check means MySQL show databases, then semicolon finish. So each and every database list out. How many database in your system is there? All the database name list out. Okay. After that, your database you can show, that means your database test is there means test you can open means open. That with password and username there means will open. Otherwise not using the database. Sir, okay sir, good sir. Next, how to show the table means MySQL. Then show table. Show table means which database table you can store? That is a test database table you can open. How many tables is there? You can list out. Okay. Sir, show the column. MySQL greater than show columns from sports table. What is this? Sports one table is there. That table you can, so many table is there. One table name sports. That sports table display means the sports table, all the tables you can display. All the tables display that. What and all column is there? All the tables display means that table only displayed. All the table didn't display. Okay, this is a sports table only you can display that. Okay, this is called to queries. Okay, sir, I show the in-text means the in-text only will them. Okay, see here, next command, MySQL greater than show in-text from sports table semicolon finish. So every command you can terminate to the semicolon. So every command you can terminate to the semicolon. So very carefully you can listen the students. So this is called to the MySQL queries. So these and all shows and privileges and each and everything I will teach you. So you see your book, students, just you understand that first. Okay, so database table, each and everything first you can create. After that you can queries you can raise. Table inside is not, the sports table inside is not there means how to you can open, how to columns you can display. So this is not display. In case you give to one name means that name database inside table is not there means you can display the queries. This table name is not there. That like you can display the result. So that is inside sports table is there means then what is this? Columns name you can display, index names you can display. Okay, that is called to database. Very interesting this chapters. Okay, just you can, after opening the schools, I will each and everything I will teach you students. So easy one. Okay, thank you students.